Good morning. We're on the Euro Japanese Yen here again, looking for a short side move because price has successfully tested and is now attempting to retest ITM Saturn PRO's reversal zones 1 and 2. As you know from previous session replays, those are high probability zones for reversals in the direction of the trend, which is short if you're in the red zone. So we're going to look for a touch or a no touch option here. Let's go back to the chart to decide which one. Now we have these targets here. The minimum target is the 38.2, 50 and 61.8 being the highest probability targets. But one thing we're sure of is that the price is most likely, with a higher probability, not to go above the 2-3 target. We have a 2-7 target here on a no-touch option provided by the broker, which is a lot higher than the maximum target our price can reach according to ITM Saturn PRO. Therefore, it is a much higher probability trade to take here, to take a no-touch into this option, with a target price of 143.289, which basically means we're saying for the next half an hour, price will not be touching that 0.28 target. ITM Saturn PRO's target being 5 pips below that at 0.23. So we're in a very comfortable safe zone. So we're going to now wait for this to expire. It's a very long trade. It's roughly 20-something minutes long, and we're going to come back shortly with the results. Just going to start shooting again roughly a few minutes before the expiry, since this trade will go through to the very last second of expiry. So stay tuned. Thank you. All right, we're back here on the Euro-Japanese Yen with 2 minutes and 40-something seconds remaining. Price is very comfortably in the money still, and we have a very significant ITM Saturn PRO signal that's shown up, which is a red arrow pointing downwards on a negative bar, which essentially means that after a brief moment of retracement, we are anticipating a very large short side move. It hasn't happened yet, but in the time frame that we have, it keeps our trade safe, and we may just see it through to completion, where it tries to take out the 23.6 and 38.2 levels at least. The 50 and 61.8 are still far away for the time we have available to us on this trade, which is 2 minutes and 10 seconds at the moment. So we're very comfortably in the money, and we have yet another signal here right under the reversal zones telling us that price will escalate in the trade's direction, which is short side very, very fast, hopefully soon or after the trade's expiry. We don't know. We have yet to see if that happens, but at least we're very comfortable in the knowledge that this trade is now booked as safe, and we have another signal pointing downwards telling us that we're going to see price escalate short side very, very quickly. So another minute and 40-something seconds remaining here on this no-touch trade on the Euro-Japanese Yen for a gross return of 4,300. Anticipating a large short side move after some retracement behavior, which is being contained, as you can see, under ITM Saturn PRO's target of 143.231. The broker's no-touch target being 5 or 6 pips above that keeps us very safely in the money here with only a minute left on this no-touch trade. And as you know, this was a very long trade. This was roughly 25, 26 minutes long, and we're successfully in it. We have a minute left with the probabilities for this trade failing reducing by the second, literally, and we're anticipating a very large short side move because of that ITM Saturn PRO signal with the red arrow pointing downwards on a negative bar. Very, very strong signal. And there we now see the bars close just above. Some stops have been taken out, which essentially means we're looking at some short side behavior coming up. Smart money's taking out stops in the near term to basically sell into price. So we don't know if that large move will happen anytime soon, but we are expecting a large short side move here because of that bar opening upwards and because of ITM Saturn PRO signal pointing sharply downwards, telling us that not only are we safe in the money here with 30 seconds left on this trade, but we're anticipating a very large move coming up. So let's have a look. I think that will be it. It's not large enough yet. It's broken through the 23.6, the next target being 38.2. Doesn't look too large at the moment, but this may be a fantastic short side move here, but we're not really worried about the length of that move. We're 10 seconds away from winning this trade here on a no-touch target. Price has successfully been contained within the target. Target price offered by the broker was 0.289. ITM Saturn PRO's containment target was 0.23 something, keeping us successfully in the money the whole way through, with another ITM Saturn PRO signal showing up telling us that we are looking for a very large short side move coming up. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's gone right through the 38.2, 50, and 61.8. Very, very large move, as you can see. Whenever those ITM Saturn PRO signals show up, especially under reversal levels and at containment targets. Those are very powerful moves that ITM Saturn PRO is anticipating, hence the signal at that juncture. So this was a very successful trade here for a gross return of 4,300. I'm just waiting for the price to calculate expiry here, and that move has transpired very efficiently all the way down, breaking through all the targets, minimums and maximums, 38.250 and 61.8, and we've successfully netted $1,800 on a $2,500 investment. Thank you very much for watching.